scientists. My name is Miss King, and I am your science teacher this week. What's your name? Oh, wow, it's nice to meet you. So I'm so excited because this week we are studying weather. So this week we are going to be able to explore weather and engage with weather. And then we will learn more about weather, and then you're going to go on your own and extend your learning. And you're going to also be able to be evaluated on what you learned this week in weather. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson today. And here are some materials that you will need for science today. The first material that you'll need is a thinking cap. So let me see you guys go ahead and put that on like Miss King. We have our thinking caps on. Good thinking, guys. You also will need pencil and some paper and maybe some crayons. But if you do have the RPS workbook for science for this week, that would be also a great tool to use. You may be thinking, Miss King, I have no idea what the workbook is, and that's okay, because I'm going to show you. Here it is. It's on that science page where you found me. All you have to do is click on the RPS Science K2 Week 5 workbook, and next you'll see this appear. It says copy the document. All you need to do is click right on make a copy and wait a couple of minutes. It's not a minute, but a couple of seconds, and then this will pop up. It's the RPS Science workbook for this week. And this first page that you see on the screen is what we will be starting off with. It is our Notice and Wonder sheet. And today we will spend most of our time thinking on our own, trying to think like scientists, and engaging and exploring weather. So, as we watch the video that we're about to see, let's take some time and list three things that we see, three things that we think we know are happening, and then also three things that we actually are wondering about, okay? Let me repeat those things again. Let's write down three things that we actually see, three things that we think are happening, and I actually said 4 questions, so that's just a bonus one, but it's fine if you just do 3 that you question or wonder about the video that we're gonna see. Now, if you don't have the RPS Science Workbook, that's okay. You could do like Miss King did. I decided to take some paper and a pen and just draw the columns. I put an eyeball for what I see, a light bulb for what I think, question marks for what I wonder. And I will be able to just handwrite these. You can actually pause the video right now and take some time and write this chart down if you don't have the workbook. So now, let's get ready to watch this video on weather. And as we watch this video and observe, let's see what you can see, what you think, and what you wonder about weather based off of this video. Okay, let's take a look. As we go through this video, you can pause and write down some of your notes into your columns if you would like. Here we go. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need to write down what you see, think, and wonder. Wow, that was a really good video. Miss King took a lot of notes on my chart. Let's continue on. So, I have a little mission for you. Yes, that's right. It's basically homework. So, after you finish the rest of the tasks for today, let's look out the window or the door, of course with permission from your parent, or even go outside with supervision and look at the weather. And we're going to observe the weather and also write down some notes on the weather. So for today, let's see, what did you see? And then also write down what it felt like. You can either write it or draw it. And then later on in the day, let's do it again. Go back to the window or the door or outside, of course with permission, and write down, what did you see and what did it feel like? And then tomorrow on Tuesday, do the same thing. And then on Wednesday, let's go ahead and do it again. Okay, sound good? Miss King can't wait to see what you chart on your weather chart. So, if you don't have that chart from RPS Science Workbook, you can do like Miss King did. I made my own chart. Feel free to pause the video to copy this chart down. So, before I go today, let me give you the rest of your task for today. And they are under numbers 4 and 5. So, for the rest of your science time today, go ahead and play Weather Surprise with Sid the Science Kid. That's number 4. And then after that, let's go ahead and arrange some clothes for the weather. It's been a wonderful time with you today. I'm so grateful that I had this opportunity to spend with my little scientists. And because of that, I want to give you guys a certificate. And it has your name on it. And it was made especially for you because you tried something new. And it's signed from me, Miss King. I will see you on Wednesday. Enjoy the fun.